Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at ZSAN, ZSAN. Let's start taking a look at the 5-minute chart. This you're looking at right now is not today's chart, it's yesterday. And if you take a look here, the big move started yesterday in the afternoon. Not quite sure why it started yesterday. Apparently there was some news a week back or a couple weeks back regarding a, uh, a stock offering. But the move started today, or yesterday rather, and it continued on today. So let's take a look at today's chart. Just zoom in here real quick. All right, so we can see that right out of the gates, we see this big move from 825 all the way up to 1020. That's a crazy move. Um, I mean, that's that's almost $2 right there. So these moves don't happen every day with small caps, um, and it took three candles for it to make that move, that 2 point move. So we see this first candle, volume 479,000. Second candle, 618,000, and then we have the third candle, 449,000. Then we have the fourth candle, which is the first pullback candle, which did tap that high, but it didn't go over. And then we have the second candle. So let's take a look at the volume here. So on this first candle, it looked like, it's about 60% the volume of the breakout candle with the highest volume. So that's normal, I guess. Sometimes you see some on some breakout stocks that the pullbacks are going to be 20% and 30%, but 50%, 60% is also what I would consider normal based on what I've seen. So we have this candle, 327,000 shares of volume. Then we have the next one, and it goes below the VWAP and it taps the 9 EMA. So this is actually a stock that I did buy and a stock that I lost money on. Now, this, not to say that there was not an opportunity to make money, it's just that I do not trade the breakout, the first breakout. I'm trading with a small account and I'm just looking for quote unquote safer setups. But on this candle, the second breakout candle, there were definitely a lot of opportunities to scalp. A lot of moves up and down where you could have scalped 10, 20 cents. Uh, but I'm trying to manage risk right now, and I didn't take this trade, but I did buy here close to the 9 EMA. Typically when a pullback taps the 9 EMA, that's a fantastic place to buy. But you know, this seems to be the theme this week because it happened yesterday in a couple of stocks as well, and it happens today on a couple of stocks. Uh, it just rolls over and the second breakdown doesn't happen where it typically should happen or the way it should happen or at least that we want it to happen. So we see that this candle taps the 9 EMA. Next candle opens and you know it opens well above the 9 EMA, but then it just drops down. Actually, it drops down below the 20 EMA and it just keeps dropping. And if we take a look at the volume here, it's not that crazy high volume. I mean, it's 50% or less of the highest breakout candle. So, definitely not a lot of interest from buyers. People who bought here on the breakout just started to sell, and the bounce didn't. I'm gonna call that a bounce, not a breakout. There was some from 773 or all the way up to 821. So that's a decent move, but I can't manage risk here. It's not a. How do I know it's not going to keep going down? It's not a pattern that at least I'm familiar with. And from here, it just kept trading. Uh, breakout here at 11:45, but I only traded the first couple hours or so. So that's the review for ZSAN. If you traded ZSAN, let me know how you did, or if you see something that I don't. Um, as always, if you like the video, please let me know, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, have a good one, guys. Bye.